a thank you to my amazing LinkedIn network for engaging with me so much over the last week or so, I wanted to put together a quick video on 3 different marketing tips to help you sell more units per month in your day-to-day role as a sales consultant at the dealership. So tip number 1 would be get acclimated with what your dealership is doing with marketing. So marketing can be various different items such as television, radio, paid social, paid search, display advertising, etc. Your owner or general manager might not necessarily share with you the details of how much they're spending, but they can give you a good idea in terms of what they're doing for marketing. Tip number 2 would be to connect to the person who works directly with the owner or general manager every single month on the dealership's marketing assets. Marketing assets are typically housed somewhere online in what we call content library or content warehouse. This way, you can use some of those assets to promote your own brand on social media. My last and final tip for the night for a sales consultant would be to know exactly what your manufacturer is doing for advertising in any given month. The dealerships rely on their own advertising to bring guests into the dealership every month, but they also rely on being able to piggyback off of the manufacturer's advertising as well. So every single month, the manufacturer has different programs and different incentives that are interweaved throughout the advertising. This is another opportunity for you to be able to leverage what the dealership is doing and the manufacturer to promote your own brand at the dealership.